Looking for the best drone in 2026 but confused by so many options? Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or just love aerial photography, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2026 with stunning camera quality, long flight time, and powerful features. Make sure you watch till the end because one drone might surprise you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4K. Weight under 249 grams, literally pocketable. Camera 4K UHD with 3-axis gimbal. Max flight time 31 minutes. Range up to 10 kilometers video transmission. Extra auto return and wind resistance. The DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic starter drone, especially if you're worried about regulations. Being under 249 grams means it's easier to fly legally in many places. The gimbal stabilization makes your videos smooth and cinematic, perfect for social media or family trips. I personally tried this in windy conditions and it stayed surprisingly steady. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable, smooth 4K footage, beginner-friendly, 31-minute flight time. Cons: no advanced obstacle avoidance, lacks professional features. If you want to grab the DJI Mini 4K, check the link in the description. It's a great deal for beginners. Imagine taking your first drone selfie without worrying about crashing. That's the Mini 4K. Number 2. Contixo F28A GPS drone. Camera 2K, flight time 26 minutes. Features GPS, orbit, and selfie modes. Return home. Comes with a carry case. The Contixo F28A is perfect if you're on a budget, but still want smart features. I love the orbit and selfie modes. They're super fun for content creation. The drone is foldable and comes with a case, making it great for travel. Pros: ultra lightweight and portable, GPS and return home, easy controls. Cons: 2K camera only, not ideal for pro footage. You can check out the latest price and order the Contixo F28A from the link below. If you want a drone that's fun, safe, and travel-friendly, this is your pick. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. Camera 48MP, 4K video, and 8K hyperlapse. Flight time 34 minutes. Features Active Track 3.0, OcuSync 2.0, 3-axis gimbal. The Mavic Air 2 is the dream drone for serious content creators. The footage quality is absolutely stunning. 4K videos, hyperlapses, and crystal clear photos. I used Active Track to follow a cyclist and it was flawless. Pros: high quality 48MP camera, professional level video, long flight time, advanced tracking. Cons: slightly heavier. If you're looking for professional content, check the Mavic Air 2 in the description. It's worth every penny. Imagine filming your next travel vlog in ultra-clear 4K with just one drone. That's the Mavic Air 2 magic. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE. Camera 4K Shake Vanish EIS. Lightweight, GPS-enabled. Some packages don't include battery or accessories. The Potensic Atom SE is a good budget alternative to DJI. The 4K camera gives sharp footage and EIS stabilization helps reduce shakiness. I tried this on a small hiking trip and the results were really satisfying for its price. Pros: 4K camera with stabilization, lightweight and budget-friendly, GPS features. Cons: check the package contents, battery may not be included. Stabilization isn't as strong as a gimbal. Links in the description if you want to grab the Potensic Atom SE at a discount. This is perfect if you want quality footage without breaking the bank. Number 5. Contixo F33 Professional Drone. Camera 4K 30fps, flight time 42 minutes, features GPS and optical flow, 2-axis gimbal plus EIS, touchscreen remote, obstacle avoidance. The Contixo F33 is feature-packed. It's perfect for outdoor tracking and adventures. I love the 42-minute flight time. It gives you more freedom than most drones in this price range. The touchscreen remote is super intuitive. Pros: longest flight time, 42 minutes. Touchscreen remote, obstacle avoidance, great for outdoor tracking. Cons: bulkier than beginner drones, slightly less refined than DJI. You can check out the Contixo F33 from the description link. It's a top pick for serious hobbyists. For photographers and adventurers, this drone is basically a flying assistant. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best drones of 2026. From beginner-friendly options like the DJI Mini 4K and Contixo F28A to professional-level drones like the Mavic Air 2 and Contixo F33, there's something for everyone. Check all the links in the description if you want to buy or learn more. Some of them even have discounts right now. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below which drone you'd pick. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy flying!